Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Rajan Karan. Today is 9th May 2022. Today I am going to explain today's topic, that is legacy classes in a collection framework in a Java. This is the original video. Now going to the topic, what are the legacy classes into the Java. First of all, discuss about the legacy classes. Next one is the types of legacy classes and constructors provided by legacy classes into the Java. First of all, what is means by legacy classes? In the legacy classes, in the past decade, the collection framework didn't include Java. In the early version of Java, we have several classes and interfaces, which allows us to store objects after adding the collection framework in JSE 1.2 for supporting collection framework into the Java. This collection framework in JSE 1.2 for supporting the collection framework. These classes were engineered, so classes and interfaces that formatted collection framework in the older version of Java are known as legacy classes. For supporting generic in JDK, these classes are included into the legacy classes. Now discuss about what are the types of legacy classes. All other legacy classes are imported from the Java non-native package. First one is a hash table, stack, dictionary, properties and vector are the legacy classes into the Java. First of all, discuss about what is a vector class in legacy class. Vector is a special type of array lister that defines dynamic array. Array list is not synchronized while a vector is synchronized. The vector class has several legacy methods that are not present in the collection framework. Vector implements iterable after the release of JDK 5 that defines the vector is fully compatible with the collection, and vector elements can be iterated by the for each loop. Now next one is what are the classes constructors are used into the legacy classes. First one is the vector. It is used when we want to create a default vector having the initial size of 10. Next one is a vector int size. It is used to create a vector of a specified capacity, and it accepts size as a parameter to specify the initial capacity. Next one is a vector int size and int increment decrement. In that, it is used to create a vector of a specified capacity. It accepts two parameter size and increment parameters to specify the initial capacity and the number of elements to allocate each time when a vector is resized for the additional objects. Next one is vector collections. In this, it is used to elements which are present in the collection. Next one is next class is hash table into the Java. In the hash table class, the hash table class is similar to hash map. It is contains data as per the contained into the map interface. That means in the pair of key and value pairs, and it doesn't allow any null key and a value because it synchronizes just like a vector. Hash table also has the following constructors. First is hash table. It is used when we need to create a default hash table having size of it. Next one is a hash table. In that, using integer size, it is used to create hash table of the specified size. It accepts the size as a parameter to specify the initial size of it. Next one is a hash table. Next one is a properties class. In that properties class extends hash table class to maintain the list of values. The list are both keys and value of type string. The property class has a following two constructors. First one is a properties. In that, it is used to create properties object without having default values. Next one is a